Now we will do one more problem on marginal costing technique. In this problem also we have to calculate PV ratio, BP, profit made when sales is rupees 25 lakhs, the sales required to earn profit of rupees 4 lakh. So this problem is also similar to the problem which we have done just right now. Okay, so here you can see 2 years sales is given and 2 years profit is given. In this question 2 years sales is given, 2 years profit is given. Okay, and what we have to calculate, and fixed cost is also given, and we have to calculate PV ratio. So whenever 2 years sales and 2 years profit is given, then always to calculate PV ratio, you will apply this formula: change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. Okay, into 100. So we will apply this formula to calculate PV ratio. Normally which formula we apply to calculate PV ratio? We use the formula of PV ratio is equals to contribution upon sales into 100. But here we are going to apply this formula, change in profit upon change in sales into 100, because in question 2 years profits and 2 years sales is given. Therefore we will apply this formula. Okay, so change in profit means what? Change in profit means 2,50,000 minus 2 lakh. Okay, means current year's profit minus previous year profit. Okay, so 2,50,000 minus 2 lakh. Okay, you will get the 50,000. And change in sales means 17 lakhs minus 15 lakhs, means current year's profit minus previous year's profits. Okay, so we will find out the change in profit upon change in sales. Okay, so change in profit means rupees 2,50,000 minus rupees 2 lakhs. Change in sales means what? Change in sales means this year's sales minus previous year's sales. Lakhs into 100. Okay, now you have to solve this. 2,50,000 minus 2 lakh rupees 50,000. There is an increase in the sale of rupees 50,000. There is an increase in of rupees 50,000. And the profit has also increased from 15 lakh it has become 17 lakh. So the profit is increased by rupees 2 lakhs. So the PV ratio is 25%. PV ratio is 25%. The PV ratio is 25%. It means fixed cost plus profit is 25%, and remaining 75% will be the variable cost. Okay, now next what we have to calculate? We have to calculate BP in sales. Okay, and if you know the PV ratio, then always you have to apply this formula to calculate BP in sales, that is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost is how much? Fixed cost is rupees 1,75,000. It is given in the question, rupees 1,75,000 fixed cost is given in the question. Okay, and PV ratio just we have calculated 25%. Okay, so now we will solve this. 1,75,000 into 100 divided by 25. Okay, so if you will solve this, if you will solve it, you will get the answer rupees 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs. So BEP in sales means what? If you will sell the rupees of 7 lakh, then there will be no profit, no loss. Your sale should be always more than 7 lakhs, then only the organization will be able to earn the profit. Okay, next what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the profit made when sales are rupees 25 lakhs. We will calculate the profit. The profit made when sales are rupees 25 lakhs. ओके 25 lakhs. ठीक है, मतलब 25 lakhs का सेल करोगे, 25 lakhs का सेल करोगे तो प्रॉफिट कितना होगा? द प्रॉफिट मेड व्हेन सेल्स आर रुपीज 25 लाख, यानी इतना सेल करोगे तो प्रॉफिट कितना होगा वो फाइंड आउट करना है. तो जस्ट वी हैव सीन इन प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम द फॉर्मूला to calculate desired profit is PV ratio is equals to fixed cost. You have to learn all these formulas. Fixed cost plus profit divided by sales. So this is the formula to calculate desired profit. This is the contribution formula. Only in contribution always you have to write fixed cost plus profit. If you will take here sales minus variable cost, then your answer will be wrong. So compulsorily at contribution you have to take fixed cost plus profit. Okay, so fixed cost is given in the question rupees 1,75,000. It is given in the question rupees 1,25,000. Profit we have to calculate. Okay, profit we have to calculate. And sales is also given in the question rupees 25 lakhs. 25 lakh. PV ratio just we have calculated PV ratio 25%. PV ratio is 25%. Okay, so take that 25% here. Okay, now we have to solve this. Okay, so how we will solve it? This 25%, if this will go here, it will be in multiplication. This is 1. This is 1,75,000 plus profit. Okay, so now this step we can write in this way also. Profit is equals to 25% into rupees 25 माइनस ये इस तरफ आ गया है, ऐसा समझ लेना, ये इस तरफ आ गया तो कैसे होगा? माइनस में हो जाएगा ना. 1,75,000 रुपीज़ 1,75,000. इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो तुम्हें प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा. इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. 25/100 इंटू रुपीज़ 25 lakhs. So 0 0 will get cancelled. 25 into 25, 625. 625. Again 3 zeros. So 6,25,000 minus rupees 1,75,000. Okay, rupees 1,75,000. Solve it. You will get rupees 4,50,000. Rupees 4,50,000. So this much profit you can earn by selling this much. 25 lakhs का अगर सेल होगा तब जाके 4,50,000 का प्रॉफिट होगा. Okay, so see how marginal costing technique is helping in identifying the how much sale to be made to earn this much profit, or to earn this much profit, how much sale is required. So all such important decisions can be taken on the basis of marginal costing technique. So next, what we have to calculate, one more thing we have to calculate. Okay, that is sales required to earn a profit of rupees 4 lakh. The sales required to earn a profit of rupees 4 lakh. Okay, so the sales required to earn a profit of rupees 4 lakh. Then if you want to earn the profit of rupees 4 lakh, then how much sale is required? How you can earn this sale, this 4 lakh profits, that we are going to see now. Again, for this also the formula is same. You have to apply this formula only to calculate desired sale also. That is PV ratio is equals to fixed cost plus profit divided by sales. Okay, sales will come here. PV ratio will go down because we have to calculate sales only. Okay, so fixed cost is how much? Rupees 1,75,000. Fixed cost is rupees 1,75,000. Okay, and profit is how much? It is given rupees 4 lakh. And PV ratio. This PV ratio will come down. Okay, and the PV ratio is how much? We have calculated in first step, that is 25%. PV ratio is 25%. We have calculated here 25%. So this 25% you have to write here. Now solve this, you will get the answer. So this plus this 1,75,000 plus 4 lakh is 5,75,000. It's okay, and 25% will be written like this while solving the problem. So if you will solve this, you will get the answer rupees 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs. So what it means? It means if you will sell the product of rupees 23 lakhs, then you will get the profit of rupees 4 lakh. if the sale is 23 lakhs, then only you can earn the profit of rupees 4 lakh. To earn the profit of rupees 4 lakh, 23 lakhs sale is required. So this is how you can take a very important decisions with the help of marginal costing technique. इतना सेल करना है तो कितना प्रॉफिट चाहिए, इतना प्रॉफिट कमाना है तो कितना सेल होना चाहिए, ये सारे डिसीजंस तुम ले सकते हो मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग टेक्निक में दिए हुए फॉर्मूला के बेसिस पे.